Okay, current events. So here's one I was gonna bring up.
Basketball game tonight.
Federal government,
Diagnosis.
what's that?
I'll check it.
Miss Cheney? Yeah, so they were mad at her. She's the number 3 ranking
Yes, that's right.
Republican in the House, and she believes she's going to 10 votes to impeach herself and things like that. And so yesterday they had a private ballot, so they all voted anonymous ballot. So public with it, and she was kept in place by like 148. Or 40 maybe. But it was, and they didn't have to release it publicly how they voted. It was overwhelmingly kept in the leadership, which there have been many speak up. It's one that are Trump supporters did not. So, and then, so yeah, that was one. Okay, so back, the Democrats are proposing legislation to give every